10 essential oils that can help with a cold and cough. Essential oils have been used for nearly 6,000 years with the aim of improving a person's health or mood. There are 3 easy methods for using essential oils. 1. You create a steam sauna by taking a large bowl of boiling water, adding 8 to 10 drops of an essential oil you're using, then lean over the bowl with a towel draped over your head like it's your own personal tent. Breathe through your nose for 2 minutes, then stop. 2. An electric diffuser can be used, to which you can add water and a few drops of the essential oil. 3 drops of oil per 100 milliliter of water would be perfect. 3. Dab on skin. Dilute essential oils with a gentle, neutral oil before applying them on skin, like olive oil, coconut, or grapeseed oil. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is known for its woodsy, sweet scent and has been shown to have both antiviral and antimicrobial properties. It also reduces inflammation, suppresses cough, reduces fever, loosens up chest congestion, and is an all-around support during cold season. Eucalyptus oil works as a natural decongestant and cough suppressant by helping your body break down mucus and phlegm and opening up your airways. To ease a cough, dilute it in one of the neutral oils like coconut or olive oil and rub it onto chest and throat. Also, you can simply add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water and breathe in the steam to relieve cold symptoms. Tea tree oil. According to one study, this oil has been found to have antiviral, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties. Tea tree oil is known to help with sinus infections and respiratory issues. Peppermint oil. That minty goodness is a natural decongestant and fever reducer due to its menthol. A small study from 2013 found that it can help the bronchial muscles and can ease breathing if you have a cough. Peppermint oil is not recommended for pregnant women as they trigger uterine contractions. Chamomile oil. This daisy-like flower has long been used in various natural remedies. A 2010 study have shown that breathing in chamomile essential oil in steam may help relieve cold symptoms. Rosemary oil, a fragrant herb. Rosemary isn't just a way to spruce up your roast chicken. In its essential oil form, it's been found to be good at breaking up mucus and reducing inflammation, the potential for less sniffles and fewer aches and pains. Frankincense oil. Made from the resin of the boswellia tree, frankincense's anti-inflammatory power has been shown to be useful in treating coughs and bronchitis. The oil's aromatic properties are said to promote feelings of relaxation, peace, and overall wellness. Oregano oil. As a spice, you sprinkle oregano on your Italian dishes, of course, but in its essential oil form, it has a compound that, according to one study, is a good antimicrobial germ fighter. The carvacrol and thymol in oregano oil does wonders for sinus infections. Thyme oil. With high levels of the same helpful compound as oregano, thyme oil may help protect against viruses and bacteria. It has a warm, herbaceous scent. Thyme is great for respiratory health. Clinical studies have shown its use in soothing coughs and relieving chest congestion. Cinnamon oil. Cinnamon essential oil contains a number of compounds thought to influence health, which has been found to reduce inflammation and act as an antimicrobial. Research done in 2017 showed that cinnamon oil could ward off germs that cause respiratory problems. Nutmeg oil. Studies have suggested that the oil of this spice has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Not only does nutmeg essential oil release joint pain, but it also treats the common cold and lung problems. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay well.